You've probably noticed that cute cat videos are extremely popular on the internet, gaining not just thousands, but millions of views. The good news is that creating them is very easy. You can even do it on your mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To create this type of video, the first thing we need is a good prompt. In this prompt, the features and background of the cat remain consistent. I have asked the AI to generate a video where the cat is cooking something, but the specific dish is decided by the AI. I also made sure to specify that the background and the cat's color should remain consistent throughout the story. Now let me give you an overview of how this prompt works. The cat, a fluffy orange tabby with a human-like posture, is placed in a beautiful outdoor village kitchen surrounded by lush green vegetable fields, a clay stove, and traditional cooking tools. One important thing to note is that you don't have to limit yourself to cat videos. You can choose any animal, like a panda, rabbit, or even other elements. This document will be available in the description of this video. Once the AI provides you with the prompt, copy it, and we'll move on to the next step. Image generation. For this, I will use Piclumen. After logging in, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Click here to select the model. I will choose the Piclumen art model for this type of video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we are creating shorts, then hit enter. Once the AI generates the image, click on download to save it to your device. Once all the images are ready, we need to add motion to them. For this, I will use Vidu AI. Open your browser and search for Vidu AI. After logging in, select Image to Video from the left sidebar. Upload the image, then return to ChatGPT and copy only the part of the prompt that describes the motion of the particular scene. Go back to Vidu AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt section, leave the settings as they are, and hit Create. Once the scene is generated, click on Download to save it to your device. To generate sound effects, I will use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs and select Sound Effects from the left sidebar. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the sound effect scene and paste it into the prompt section. Click Generate Sound Effect, and it will provide 4 different sound effects. Listen to them and download the one you like. Now we need to align all the scenes. For that, I will use Canva. Go to Canva and select the YouTube Shorts option. Upload all of your scenes. Then drag and drop them into the timeline in the correct sequence. Add suitable background music to the timeline. Also add sound effects, which we have created by using 11 Labs. Once everything is done, click on Download to save the final video to your device.